Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying out something that has been trending. You know, the egg treatment. I've heard when you use egg, when you leave egg into your hair for hours, then you rinse it off, then you go to sleep. Like after applying a certain oil, then you go to sleep, your hair will grow within an inch or more the next day. Actually, I'm still shocked when I've been seeing such videos going on here and there. So I decided, my wash day is near and I would like to try this out. Maybe I'll grow an inch overnight, who knows? Oh no, I'm pretty skeptical about this thing, but I still want to give it a try. And then I want to give you guys a heads up. So most of you all have been commenting about the rosemary, where I'll be using rosemary for 3 months straight. You have been inquiring on which day should we start this challenge together. And as I can say, you're all at luck. We're going to start the challenge on 10th March. 10th of March. We're going to start this challenge. Who's ready? Because I'm ready. I don't know about you guys. We're going to be using rosemary water for 3 months straight. We start on 10th March. I could have said 1st March, but I just want to give you time to prepare yourself, getting the rosemary, making the rosemary tea for your hair growth. That's why I've decided, let's do it together on 10th March. So comment down below if you're going to be starting out this challenge with me, where we use rosemary for 3 months straight. Yeah, I guess that's that, and let's get into the video of me putting eggs in my hair overnight. Hope it works. Fingers crossed. So for making this remedy, we're going to be using about 2 eggs and any oil of your choice. I decided to use castor oil because that is the one I highly prefer using, but you can use any type of oil that you have at home. So we're just going to be doing the usual. We break our 2 eggs, add in about 4 tablespoons of the castor oil. Make sure you mix the mixture real good before application, and that's that. We're going to keep the mixture that we have into a bottle to help in the easy application of the eggs into our scalp. I would recommend you using a bottle because, hey, if you try using your hands, you just be catching yolk here and there, and we don't want to struggle in this life, you know. So I highly recommend you putting your mixture into a bottle, an empty bottle of oil. So for the measuring purpose, you're going to just be using the regular method, where I just mark my shirt and show the before of my length, and then later I come and show the after of my length after using the egg application in my hair. So make sure when you're going to be using the shirt method, make sure your chin is up straight. This will help in knowing the actual length of your hair. Don't put your chin down, because you'll just make the hair appear much more longer, and I will highly recommend you starting by using your chin high method, and then also when you're going to measure your results, also do the chin up method. I decided to measure both the front and the back, because normally my front hair and my back hair are not the same length, but I just preferred it this way. We're going to work in sections, and let me change my shirt. I had to wet out my hair to help with the absorption of the eggs and the nutrients into my scalp. Make sure you do that too. Well, here I am finally deciding to do this method. The egg was actually smelling quite decent, I won't lie, but I was like, what am I getting myself into? Should I not? Is it worth it? But hey, I had to give it a try. I won't lie guys, I wasn't really a fan of the smell. You know, I'm not a fan of the raw smell that I was getting from the eggs, but the amount of facial expressions that I was doing while applying this egg treatment is just unbearable. But we just had to do what we had to do, I guess. So we're going to be talking about the benefits of using the egg mask into your hair. The egg mask can prevent dandruff, also promotes hair growth and acts as a hair mask booster. The yolk of an egg can protect your hair from damage. Hair loss is reduced and shine is also increased, and it also repairs damaged hair. The egg mask as well helps infuse hair follicles with much needed vitamins and minerals. The egg treatment also helps the hair appear thicker and healthier. Nourishing the scalp encourages new hair to grow stronger and be less prone to breakage or shedding. So to cover up the egg treatment, I just had to use my Ziploc bag. I was out of saran wrap and I will prefer doing it this way. Well, I think I have a big head enough for using for using a Ziploc bag. You guys, I'm now going to cover this up this way because I do not want to have leaks in my hair. Sorry about the echo, I'm in the bathroom right now, but so I'm going to let it sit in my hair for 2 hours straight. I hope it doesn't cook. What if it cooks? What did I put myself into? Anyways, as long as we have a positive growth, I'm down for it. But this mess better be worth it, cause the way this toilet is about to smell. Anyways, see you guys in 2 hours. So it was finally 2 hours down. I literally went for 3 hours actually. You can go for 2 hours, but hey, you guys, when I tell you the amount of heat I was having, like when I just took out the cloth out of my hair, I felt so good. The fresh air, oh my god, it was just so nice. It felt so good. But yeah, 3 hours down the drain and here's the reveal. Wow, just look at that shine. Just look how much defined my curls are. Oh my god, I started feeling myself, I won't lie. But hey, despite the egg cooking in my hair because I had some little egg chunks, but I literally loved the results. Just look at that. So we're going to be washing out all the eggs with shampoo out of my hair. And you guys, the amount of yellow fluid that was coming out of my hair, oh my god, you guys, just wash out your hair with shampoo perfectly, properly. And the smell, the raw smell. But yeah, make sure you wash your hair thoroughly before we go into the next step. So once the hair is perfectly clean, like look how perfectly defined my curls are. Out of all the hair treatments I've ever used, my curls have never been this much defined. Like look at that. You guys should hire me for like, you know, hair products advertisement. Like look at that. Slay. So for the next application, I used almond oil and a mixture of coconut oil. So make sure you don't have to use exactly almond oil or maybe castor oil, but you can use any oil you prefer, but make sure you use a higher percentage of coconut oil into your hair. Make sure your hair is perfectly drenched with all the oil you have. Perfectly drenched. Like this literally helps in stimulating the absorption of the oil into your hair. So in that case, make sure you apply all the oil you can get into your scalp, into your roots, into the end of your hair, into the ends. Like just make sure you just apply all the amount of oil you can get into your hair, and make sure you give your head a good massage, helping in the absorption of the oil. So for this next process, I'm going to be using my Ziploc bag to cover up my hair. This will help my hair absorb all the coconut oil perfectly, as well to keep it nice and moisturized. Okay, for some people they say coconut oil tends to dry up your hair, but it's just for a night. So I guess it's worth the sacrifice because the next day you just end up washing it out. So I'll just cover up my hair to prevent oil spillage, and I'll see you guys in the next day. It's now the next morning. It's time for the reveal. My hair can breathe. Oh my god. So good. So I have the same top from yesterday. Hey yo! See that? Do you guys see that? I have gained, I don't know how many inches this is, but I gained growth. Oh my god! Like my head is up straight. Oh. I'm shocked. An inch. Is this even an inch? I don't know, man. I don't know. As much as this process was so stressful, but it worked. Hey, you guys, look, even when I put my head on, look, when I put my head up high, look, still passes the line, man. It worked. Okay, let's confirm at the back, because I also did at the back. You guys, oh my god, you guys, you guys, you guys, you. Okay, I have to get down a bit because the camera is a bit down, but you guys, it worked. As much as it was a stressful procedure and a smelly procedure, you people, the way the toilet was smelling in the morning. Only God knows, but it worked. I gained an inch or more within 12 hours. That's what I can say, because I didn't do this for a whole day. Oh my god, this is the best hair treatment ever. I am definitely going to be doing this every month, at least every 1 month in December. I see how I'll be growing. Well, before my wash day, I'll be doing this hair treatment. Sorry about the echo in the bathroom right now, but hey. You guys. Don't even know how long my hair is measuring right now, but it worked. Look, confirmation. What if I do? Yeah. Anyways, let me end the video here. From here, I'm going to be washing out my hair. And what I can say, okay, there's too much air. Open the door. That sounds better, okay? So, and what I can say is, I'll highly recommend you trying out this remedy. It's the best. If you want to grow your hair so fast, it's literally the best. My hair grew like an inch or more. I don't know, but I know it's an inch or more. Damn. And you don't have to use the exact oils I had. I had castor oil. You can use any hair oil that you have. I prefer using castor oil. I don't know why. And make sure you use coconut oil when you're going to sleep, because that's what it says from the other trends that I've been seeing. But yeah, I'm excited. So from here, I'm going to wash out all the coconut oil I have in my hair, and I still have some egg smell, so we don't need that. Yeah, I'm happy and happy. So that's all for today's video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next coming video. And I repeat, if you're going to be joining me in the 3 months Rosemary challenge, make sure you comment down below, and I'll get to responding to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.